Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Messenger account directly from the Messenger app. Many people want to take a break from Messenger but aren't sure how to do it. So, let's go step by step through the process of deactivating your Messenger account. Let's begin. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. Once the app opens, look for the three lines icon at the top left corner of the screen and tap on it. Next, in the top right corner, you'll see a settings icon. Tap on that to access the settings menu. Now, scroll down through the menu until you find the option labeled Account Center. Once you find it, tap on it. In the Account Center, tap on Personal Details to proceed to the next step. Under Personal Details, you'll see an option for Account Ownership and Control. Select this option to proceed. Now, click on Deactivation and Deletion. You'll see two options. You can deactivate your account temporarily or permanently delete it. For this tutorial, we'll choose Deactivate Account. Facebook will ask you to re-enter your password for security reasons. Enter your password and click Continue. Next, select a reason why you want to deactivate your account from the list provided by Facebook. After selecting a reason, click Continue. Finally, select Deactivate Account to confirm. You may be asked to enter your password again. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the deactivation. Once your Facebook account is deactivated, your Messenger account will automatically be deactivated as well. If you only want to deactivate Messenger, you can do so by following these steps. And that's how you can deactivate your Messenger account directly from the app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more guides. See you in the next video.